Okay, so we're going to try an empirical formula question. Now, the first part of this question is part 1, and you have to determine the percentage by mass of hydrogen. Okay, so we're going to do that first. Okay, now if you read the question, it gives you 62.0% carbon, 24.1% nitrogen. Okay, so we're talking about percent, so obviously the total must add up to 100. So the way you do this is you say 100 minus 62.0 plus 24.1 equals 13.9. So that is the remainder. Okay, and it tells you here the remainder being hydrogen, so it's 13.9% hydrogen. So next, you put the elements, which are carbon, nitrogen and hydrogen, and you write the percentages: 62.0, 24.1 and 13.9. Now we can basically assume that we can change the percent to grams. Okay, and then we can divide by the molar mass. Okay, so that value there is the molar mass. Okay, here. So carbon is 12.01, nitrogen is 14.01, and hydrogen is 1.01. So when you do that, you get these numbers here: 5.16, 1.72, and 13.8. The next step is this one here. You want to divide by the smallest. So obviously the smallest here is 1.72. So when you do that, you end up with 3, 1, and 8. And the last thing you have to do is write down the 3 elements that you have, which is C, N, and H. So I've done that down here. And then you put the number here in subscript. Of course there's a 1 there, but we don't write the 1 in. And there's an 8 by the hydrogen. So the empirical formula for A is C3NH8.